Good morning, Chan. So how do you remove a broken pin from your A arms, upper or lower arms? Now, this is a good example. This is the bulkhead for TRC1, which I bought used from you. I think the previous owner, when he installed it, he super glued or used extra thread lock on the arm. So I was going through my setup and I was adjusting my arm. Gently, it snapped off. Half of the pin was inside, flat to the surface. So as far as I can tell, there are two ways you can do it. The easy or it's actually the difficult way, but the more clean way is to use a dremel and to use a tapered Fisher burr. Something looks like this. It's a small diamond burr with a pointing tip. Goes from 0 on the top all the way up to 2 millimeter at the bottom. So it's cone shaped. And if you're wondering where to get this from, this is the same burr that they're using in dentistry, so in my profession, and the same burrs that they use for jewelry making. And the idea is easy. If you take a look here now, there's nothing, I removed it, but there will be full metal surface, right? The pin will be in the center here, broken, and all you have to do is to create a slot in the middle. You cut a minus sign, just keep scratching parallelly from side to side, and what you will end up with is a groove inside the broken pin itself. Basically, you turn the broken pin into a grub screw, and then you bring a small flathead screwdriver, you go inside the hole or the groove that you created, and you gently untwist it and it will come out. This is option number 1. Now let's say you don't have you couldn't find the small burr. Then the second option, which is a little bit destructive, is to find a cutting burr, a cutting disc. This one is very big. You should get something like small like this. This is 1 millimeter, or better yet, there are 0.5 millimeter cutting disc, aluminum cutting disc with diamond dust on it. These are better, but I don't have it, so this is all I have. And what you do is, for example, if this arm is like this, I'm going to cut off about 2 millimeter. So I'll cut this part off. But when I cut, I don't cut all the way through the arm. I want to cut the edges, the peripheries only. So you cut all around, but the center you don't touch, because if you cut the center, you will cut the pin itself and you will end up with the same problem. So you cut around, all around, and then you grab a small plier, you hold the edge, which you already cut, and then you gently twist it. When you twist it, it will come off. Now, after it comes off, you will see that part of your pin, broken pin, is protruding by 2 millimeters, right? And then after that, you grab that part and you start twist it anti-clockwise. Now, when it comes to twisting, this one will not work. Even if it's small, it will not work. You need something sharp, something like a wire cutter, something that has very small footprint like this. So something that you can really get close to. You grab it and you start slowly twisting off, and that will get you there. So thanks, peace.